guys, so welcome to another video. So I'm somewhere. I'm a full stack developer. Sometimes I do make video. I'm essentially making educational content for both people that code on laptops or desktop and people that code with phone. So I'm always interested in dropping some uh useful and insightful tutorials, maybe on how to fix something else that takes time to fix, or something that cannot fix by yourself, and it might be struggling to buy. Now, the error that I want to fix now is this one. You know that if you are using PowerShell for the first time on your Windows PC, when you try to run some commands, or it can be npm command like npm install react, but sorry, not npm install react, sorry for that. Maybe you want to delete a Vice project, or you want to run some things like npm install this, or you want to run the package or CLI2. Sometimes npm will create, npm will throw this error. If you throw cannot be loaded because running script is disabled on this system. For more information, see about execution policies at Go Microsoft SW link and link ID. So now, how do we fix this? Well, for if you want to fix this, the solution I will recommend to fix this. So you can see, let me show you again. Now I'm trying to run gel. Okay, not gel project. I'm trying to run, let me collect. I'm trying to run npm run post db migrate. So is my the post db migrate is my package that is done. I'm just trying to run it. So now, but now, if I run it on command prompt, it works. If I run it on git bash, it will work, but on PowerShell it doesn't on Windows. Why? Because running script is disabled. So how do we fix that? Now, clear your terminal. You don't have to clear it, but I'm trying to clear it so you can see what I'm doing. So now, type this command I'm typing. I've also make sure to leave it in the description so that you can just copy it instead of typing, because it's very long. So type set hyphen execution policy. So we are setting the execution policy. So add the space. If you are following me at the type, you can type, or you can check the description and copy and paste it. Execution policy. We remove, add the space, then remove sign the scope current user. Now let's like if I now can type this works. So now I think it works. Yeah. So set execution policies, then add a space, hyphen execution policy, remove sign, the scope current user. So now let's try that by command. I've tried to wait it to work again. npm or post db migrate. Wow, it worked. So it worked. So now it worked. Now, so this is how to fix it. So now you can be able to run any command you want. So now this is it. Yeah. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. It really means a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.